Hey, lovely people. I'm going to do an updated apartment tour. We've been here in Malmö, Sweden for 1 week and we've made some changes, so let's get right into it. I'm still in the foyer. This area doesn't look much different, probably looks maybe even a little worse because the weather's starting to turn, so we've been using all of our jackets. We still have our storage closet here with Clea's litter inside. Here's the kitchen. So what we did here was move the table to actually be under the light, kind of a radical idea. Here's Clea, our little Swedish kitty. We still have not figured out how to work our oven. I think you light it with like sticking the lighter into a little hole down there, but so far we haven't found anything online and we don't want to blow up the place. But the stove works great. We have our sink and we added in some plants over here. So that's been really nice. We just did a little herb garden, and this wine holder was actually here already, so we just used that to hold our little plants. And we also have been adding some stuff into the fridge, which is much better than when we first came here and there was no food in the house. And then in the bathroom, everything pretty much looks the same. We just did some cleaning and got our stuff set up. We're still trying to figure out a trash can solution because the water gets everywhere and the trash can we had on the floor was getting wet and the trash was getting wet, so that's not great. The shower curtain actually was flipped and was facing the wrong way before, so we flipped it and we lowered it, so now the curtain hits the ground, and that helps a lot with keeping the water actually inside the shower part of the bathroom instead of all over the floor here. This is where you're going to see the biggest change so far. So our living room, we totally changed where everything is. So that corner used to be a storage area. We've moved the storage to this corner. We're trying to work with the people who own the apartment and see if we can get this moved out or maybe put in the closet over by the front door. But the couch was up against the wall, so we moved that in a little bit to kind of create a little bit of a cozier space since it is a pretty big room. We moved the table directly underneath the light. This chair used to be over in this corner, so we created a little bit more of like a seating area. We put some candles that were here on this table, added in some plants and a speaker and put a light back there. We moved this light over here and added a couple of these pillows that we found in that basket so you could grab a pillow if you wanted to get snuggly. And then this actually used to be these two tables. This table and this table were stacked next to each other here with the TV on top, and then this unit was against the wall over here, which is now storage and Clea's scratching post. So we thought this looked a lot better and actually is a TV unit, so it made a lot more sense. But yeah, all the furniture was here. We didn't actually add anything to it. We just rearranged it and added some plants. And Nick loves to make these origami cranes because he is Japanese, and he makes these little cranes for me. I call them love cranes. He leaves them throughout the house and I find them randomly. It's quite nice. Hello. So here's our bedroom. This desk used to be right outside by the door here, again like super crowded along that wall, so we moved it in here because this was just negative space, and we put it underneath the light that was already here. And not really sure if we're going to do much with it or not. So far Clea just likes to sleep on that thing if we put a pillow out. And then we have some more plants, another crane. We just celebrated an anniversary and Nick is an artist, so I got him this card that said, "You're my primary." The view is still the same, but it's just been so gorgeous here in Sweden, just beautiful blue skies. It's supposed to start raining later this week. And then same with our beds. We just still have the double duvet system, still have the dresser over here. We threw up some old duvets and a pillow we're not using up there because we replaced the pillows that were here with down pillows. And today's Nick's first day at his job, so I'm trying to learn some calligraphy. So I did a little happy first day note for him for when he comes back. All right, that's everything. Thanks for seeing our new updated place. I think 1 week we've made a lot of changes. Lots of little things can make a big impact. So we're pretty happy. We're definitely feeling more comfortable here, and we really love the neighborhood that we're in. So we're looking to find our own place, and we've heard it's kind of a long process, but we're hoping we can get that started soon, find something soon. But thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Bye.